What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Down For You by Coldhart and Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, they're there for you. Starting out with your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're gonna pick low E, A, G, D, A, D. Then pick the A string and slide it to 3, and then pick the same thing, D, G, D, A, D. So slide. Slide, D, G, D, A, D. So from the top. Then with that index finger back to the 2nd fret on the A string and put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E. Pick the same thing that you did for the very first chord. E, A, G, D, A, D, and you pick that twice this time. So all together. Just repeats out the entire song. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.